Hey, thanks for tuning in today. We want to talk about the DIY program we have here at Keystone RV. And while you're here, please hit that like and subscribe button. That keeps you up to date with the latest happenings on camping better with Keystone RV.
Keystone's do-it-yourself repair program and video library allow an owner whose Keystone unit is within the terms of the limited warranty the opportunity to obtain materials in order to repair simple warranty items yourself. Go to the owners page at www.keystonerv.com/owners, where you will find the DIY repair program with a video library which we continue to add to. Watching one of these videos may give you the boost of confidence you need to do it yourself.
That's right, Matt. When you are out on the road and you run into problems, you can just go to Keystone's YouTube channel on your phone or tablet and watch repair videos to help you do it yourself.
Yeah, for example, if you simply need to replace a part like a drawer guide or a water pump or a compartment door and you're comfortable replacing it yourself, we can help you. Keystone can send you the part at no charge to install yourself or with the help of someone you know and trust. Keep in mind, we may ask you to return the old part, but we can email you a UPS return label and you can use the packaging from the new part and it can be dropped at the nearest UPS location. Most important, your safety comes first. Use caution and good common sense. Your comfort in working on RV repairs and safety are very important. If you're not sure about the repair or if it involves safety-related items such as propane gas, electrical and plumbing systems, or if it involves such things as the slide room systems, hydraulics, appliances, stop and schedule an appointment with your dealer. So Bart, what do I need to get started?
Great question, Matt. You can start by downloading the My Keystone app or visiting the DIY program section at keystonerv.com. You can also give us a call at 866-425-4369 and speak with our owner relations team and discuss your needs with us. We're happy to guide you along the way. So there it is in a nutshell. From all of us at Keystone RV, do it yourself.